Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I am going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. First up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show quite a number of persons, and I want you to listen carefully to some words that at least one person who you can hear talking in this video said. Now, I am not able to confirm if some of the words that the person said in the video are accurate, but I want you to look and listen to the video, viewers and subscribers, and you can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the words that the person said in the video. You can also tell me if you believe or if you do not believe some of the words that the person said in the video as well, alright? Alright, so here's the video. Observe, my people.
May I tell you, somehow not talk about Jamaica. And look here, look how big America is. You see everybody at hustle? You see? Everybody out there at hustle. Look. Everybody. Right now the police are drawing them up. But everybody out there hustle. I wanna cry about Jamaica, this and that. And this America. How you doing, sir? This is America. And look, you see? This is America. And everybody are doing hustle. So no found no down there will cry about the Prime Minister this and the Prime Minister that. You know if you learn. See it there? Everybody at hustle. See it there? No different. Everywhere the same, you know, a world crisis. See it there? Police cannot take them off the road still. See it there? Police will make them pack up. See? So no, I don't know different people. See it there? No, different. So no know. America, this big America. How many times bigger than Jamaica? And see the people are hustle. And I see them so police take them off the road. See it there?
My people, you hear the word hustle? You hear the word hustle? I tell you, my people. You know. My people, so tell me what you think about some words that a person said in that video. Do you agree or do you disagree with the words that the person said in the video, or do you believe or you do not believe? The video is right there, viewers and subscribers, so you can tell me what you think, alright? Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person was being arrested or detained by police from within the country that is known as Guyana. The video had been recorded within the country of Guyana, but I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. Now, the video shows quite a number of persons, viewers and subscribers. And in the video you can hear persons yelling and shouting at police officers who you can see in the video. I also got the understanding that the situation escalated to a point where a police officer who you can see in the video fired a shot from a gun. Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Some comments that have been made on social media about the video gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how police officers who you can see in the video handled the situation. And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons talked about how some persons who you can see in the video was behaving. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in the video. You can tell me how you think the police officers who you can see in the video handle the situation. You can also tell me what you think overall about the video. Now, before I present this video to you, I wanted to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear when a shot had been fired. You can hear persons yelling and shouting in this video. The video also shows how a person was being arrested or detained by police. So, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
I lose me money. 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 I lose me. I lose me money. serious. You have some money.
Wow. That was really a hostile situation, my people. That the situation, they're really hostile. Alright, now my people, in my point of view, civilians who you can see in the video was upset because of how police was treating a person who you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? You see? I tell them, people. Okay, so I didn't get any confirmed information as to why the person was being arrested or detained by police, viewers and subscribers, but the video has been talked about on social media. I don't know how long ago the video had been posted on social media, but the video had been posted some time ago on social media. Alright, so my people, based on what you saw and based on some words that had been said in the video, you can tell me if you think police officers who you can see in the video handle the situation properly or if they did not. You understand? You can tell me what I think overall about the video. Now, if you're new to my channel and you want to stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell also so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I also wanted to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video, viewers and subscribers. You can also tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that a person said in this video. You see me? Yeah, I'm going to be real with the viewers and subscribers. I am not able to confirm if some of the words that a person said in this video are accurate. I'm not able to confirm if some words that a person said in this video are true. But I found some of the words that the person said in this video to be interesting. See me? So I would like you to look and listen to this video. And you can also tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Here's the video. Observe.
I have to make you see that something. I see this. My eye sheen buckle. My eye sheen spoil. And if it I go my eye sheen spoil, I'ma say I go bore it and throw the oil sheen out there, right? Because we think it was a liquid thing and it can throw it. I don't know if you don't realize the buckle bubble up, right? Let me see if you hear this. What look there? I oil sheen that in people. Remember the cork spoil. Wanna look, see it there? See it there? At the oil sheen that no want to know if you tell me what can in a oil sheen fit it a bubble up like this. So this can be healthy if you put in a somebody ear. See it there. Me try to show the clear part that you can see what go on at the bottle. See it there? I take my hands off of it and it did a bubble up same way. I don't know if you know see what little fumes where come off of it. See it there? A little fumes I come off of it. This not healthy for nobody and me I make the world know. Oil sheen. See fumes there where come off of it, right? See it there, you get a better. See the fumes there where come out of the bottle.
Look at it.
And it seems to me like the oil sheen a go down. What in it I go down by the fumes where come out. See the fumes there? Look, see it there? Okay. Let me see if I pull it what happened. Okay, but the back of basically pull. Alright, see the fumes there? See it there? So people, females, mostly me I tell them from now, this can be healthy for putting in a ear. On the ear, it cannot be healthy for putting on the ear, and me I tell them from now because I'm going to throw away this.
Huh? People, you hear some words that the person say in that video, and I really know. Some of the hair products them when me see out there are selling, have me thinking, you know, me I tell you the truth because some hair products, I see some people use, I mean I talk both some women and some men. Yes, I say yes, some women and some men, because there are some men who use some hair products where women use. Yes, I say, and me look upon some of them hair products there, I say to myself, Jano, why not them? You see me? Why not them? So me not try to bash no company's brand name. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. You know, but really and truly, some of your products, them really and truly have me thinking, me I tell you truth, my people. So, based on some words that have been said in that video, you can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the words that the person said. You can also tell me if you believe or if you don't believe some of the words that the person said, viewers and subscribers. So, me I say, hey, and look on that buckle. The buckle when me see in the video have flammable mark on it too, you know. You see all of those words, you see flammable along with all of those words on the buckle. Alright, so here is where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.